I just did it, and I'm getting this noise. It comes over here. I don't know if it's an injector. I don't know if it's the cam phaser. See, it's not on the timing chain. It's not over here. I'm getting a knock around over here. Hold on. It's not over here. I'm getting a knock over here. Unless I'm getting an injector or a coil that has a split. See how it stopped knocking? But once in a while I get a knock on it. It's gonna be misfiring brittle. So that's what I'm getting. Then when you accelerate, it runs like shit. So I did get a bad coil on the third one. But that's what I'm having now. I built it up today. I finished it. New battery, new alternator, solenoid on the intake, new. Everything I built it today. Everything. I like to put a little bit of copper RTV, high temperature, as well as the gasket also on the bottom. But that's the ticking noise that I'm getting. I don't know if it's cam phasers. I don't know. It's driving me nuts. See? And I've only put it in this car. Hold on, so I can show you the mileage. 127,000 miles. Look at the oil pressure. It rises. The boost is not gonna rise because it doesn't idle that much in boost pedal. That's what I'm getting. And then, bloop, bloop, the car turns off. So, no bueno. Something's up there.